What is up, everyone? Welcome to Seth LeRoy Adventures. We live in the land of 10,000 lakes, so what are you doing? Get out there and go fishing. But here's what's going on right now. I woke up a little late. I woke up early at first, and I'm like, oh, I can get a couple more Z's. So I'm a little frustrated right now because you know how I am about my fishing. Right now, we're unlocking the trailer. We're pulling it up. We're going to get fishing. It's all good. Got to stay positive. But that changes my plans. Well, I wasn't even 100%. Sometimes I like doing this where I don't know which lake for sure I'm gonna pick, but now I'm picking my local. Yeah, we're gonna go straight away to the lake right down the road. Okay, here we go. So I had to make a split decision. I forgot I didn't have the big lake pass thing. That was the lake I like to go to. That's real close, but instead I'm hitting a lake that I really like. I only went out a couple times last year and I killed it every time. We'll see how it goes at the beginning of the season. This is Ann Lake. They got a campground here too that we go to sometimes. But yeah, let's get right out there and let's see what we get. Go wherever you want and there's gonna be some fish. And there we go. There we go. Got it. Decent fighter too. Oh, decent little snake. Very little. I thought he was bigger than that, but we'll take him. Very little snake. There we go. Nice little snake to start off the day. Nothing wrong with starting off with a little baby snake. Damn it! Yep. Gosh. Just about to set him in too. Splashed all over my shit. Fish. That's what I like to see. Damn near. There we go. Another fish back to back. Oh! Damn. I'd have been back to back right there, boys and girls. Damn it, decent. There has got to be a fish here. Oh, and right when I say it. Right when I say it. Oh, did he get off? Oh no, he's still on. How are you, Northern? Psycho. Oh, did you wind? Oh, he did wind himself up. That's why he felt weird. Another little buddy. A good guy. He's a nice guy. Well, I think my buddy Scooter and his son just pulled up. That's them over there. That's awesome. I told him I was coming out here today. I got to switch from this chest cam clip thing. I got to go back to my head mount because also I like when I'm looking in the water. A lot of times that's when I'll see a muskie when I'm at Muskie Lake or just in general seeing fish hit it. Like I wouldn't have got that cool smallie video yesterday. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't have caught that with this thing on it. I just can't do it. So I'm gonna get switched here real quick to the head mount again. Even though it gets annoying it on your head the whole time, but it's worth it. That fish? Yeah, that's a fish. Couldn't tell by the way it was fighting. It was odd. Is that the first largie? Oh yeah, first largie of the day, baby. I will take a little largemouth action, baby. I'll take a largemouth, won't you? Oh yeah, tubby, 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 tubby. Just kidding, it's a baby. Oh, see ya, buddy. So yeah, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move a little bit further out, just to get a little deeper, but a little bit just further out. There's fish in this lake, I'll tell you that. Just had one on a second ago too, but I feel like I'm hitting a lot of these little guys. I'm gonna try to get further out, see if I can find some big dogs. What'd I just say? Let's get out here for them big dogs. I'm bigger northern than the other little ones. God, why would I grab it like that? A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. There we go. I seen you. What the fuck are you? Yeah, you're northern. I should have known, but couldn't tell. God damn it, girl. Oh, you're pissing. Fucking yourself up. Good Lord. I had a little bit of a dry spell there for 25 minutes. I think I had a hit or two still though, but yeah. Sort of going a little bit more shallow. Gotta get pushed back out there a little bit. Seems like shallow it ain't hitting. So let's go back. Wow, that was right. And I had a good hit. Damn it. Oh, that was right next to the deck. And then I had the hit, but my hand slipped off my reel. Oh. There we go. There we go. That was that same one that I got the hit on. I guarantee it. And is it a decent bass? I'm glad I finished it off here. He's in the weeds. Oh yeah, he's decent bass compared to all the other stuff. Oh, he's under the boat. Yep, and he's my tubby bass. That's how you end the vlog, or end the day, whatever you want to call it. There we go. He's not huge, but bigger than anything else today for bass wise. Tubby, tubby, tubby. From what I was hitting this week, yeah, or today, that's a tubby. All right, girl. I'm glad that I got you today. There's something tubby, tubby. Oh wait, I need a picture with her. Better thumbnail. One sec. Goodbye, my buddy. Just glad that I got you. Look how chill she was. What is up, everyone? So I think I was so excited about that last bass, I forgot to end my vlog. So I'm gonna have to end it from home. Yeah, I got one of my 5 kids right now. Timers are on and it's getting stressful, but like I said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine with me. I'm just glad you're rocking with me. Keep fishing and fish some more. I got new merch. I got a bunch of merch I just dropped, so please go check out the links. I have so much different merch now in my merch store. So if you end up liking any of it, please support a brother. But if not, that's cool. I'm just glad you're rocking with me, and I hope you enjoy my videos, and I'm going to keep pushing these videos. I have a lot of content coming out. Seth LeRoy Adventures on all platforms, okay? We live in the land of 10,000 lakes, so what are you doing? Go fishing. Rowan just came in here to play VR, and that's the end of this vlog. I realize I'm editing my last video. I'm like, I forgot to end it. So everyone have a good one. Stay blessed and keep fishing. I'm out.